Govindraj here, and today I am up with a new tutorial. And in this tutorial I'll be showing up you guys that how you guys can exceed your WhatsApp status limit from 139 words to 255 words, and with this you can unlock many more exciting features. So before starting the tutorial, I would like to request you all guys to just smash the subscribe button available on my channel. So basically for this process you need a rooted device and lucky patcher, and if you do not have a rooted device, then just go and get your device rooted. So let's start it up. Basically, if you see my WhatsApp status wall, there is a limit about 139 words. So let's start it up to change it to 155 words. So firstly, all you need to do is just open lucky patcher and then just choose WhatsApp. You will see an option custom patch available, which means custom hack available. So just click it and then scroll down and hit open menu of patches, and then you will see an option named custom patch. Just click it and then you will see 5 options. You need to select anyone, but I would select hide privacy com.whatsapp. Just click it and here you will see features overview. So basically all the features you are going to get are disable heads up notifications, hide last seen blue ticks, writing blue voice notes, send HD pics without compression, unlocked hidden features, media sharing limit to 72 MB, send more than 10 images videos stimulatively, or status limit 255 words. Remove details while copying multiple messages, photo, and etc. So all you need to do is just apply, uh, hit apply button. Then it will start patching. I am
I'm going to speed up this process with use my video editor, so don't get worried. It is going to take some time. Give it its time.
So now you guys are done. Uh, Now just let's see whether this patch is working or not. So for that you just need to click launch and then just check your status, WhatsApp status limits. Mm. You can see now there are 254 words available plus H, which means 255 words. So now you can you can upload a status up to 255 words. Thank you guys for watching. Don't remember to like, subscribe, and share.